Solving the second layer of a Rubik's Cube involves positioning the edge pieces, without blue, into their correct places between the first layer and the third layer. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Identify target edge pieces. Look at the top layer, the unsolved layer. Find an edge piece that doesn't contain yellow. This edge piece will move to the middle layer. Step 2. Align the edge piece. Rotate the top layer so that the front color of the edge piece matches the center of one of the sides, not the yellow face. The other color of the edge piece should be matched to its adjacent side. Step 3. Determine the direction. Now, determine where the edge piece needs to go. If the edge piece needs to go left, follow the left algorithm. If the edge piece needs to go right, follow the right algorithm. Step 4. Perform the right or left algorithm. If the piece needs to go right, 1. You move the top layer clockwise. 2. Right column up, top counterclockwise, right column down. 3. You move the top layer counterclockwise. 4. Front face counterclockwise. Top clockwise, front face clockwise. If the piece needs to go left, 1. You move the top layer counterclockwise. 2. Left column up, top clockwise, left column down. 3. You move the top layer clockwise. 4. Front face clockwise. Top counterclockwise, front face counterclockwise. Step 5. Repeat. Repeat this process for all edge pieces in the top layer until the second layer is fully solved. Once all the edges are placed in the second layer, you are ready to move on to solving the top layer of the Rubik's Cube.